Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So on today we're fixing the Fiesta's problem with what we assume is the accelerator pedal. So you might notice when your accelerator pedal starts crapping out, as it might stutter, it might rev itself, might just accelerate randomly, or it might just be totally wide open, like an episode of Cops where the guy's going down the motorway and says he can't stop.
Anybody catch a license plate?
Here is the replacement pedal. Quality, 20 quid off eBay. Hopefully this isn't broke as well. We'll get Jake to test it if he flies across the road and into the back of someone. So yeah, this is how you change the accelerator pedal. So to remove the pedal, it's quite easy. It's 2 bolts, 13mm. One. Then the new one, the connector just slides on and the 2 bolts go back in. So new pedal's in, now it's time to test it. So the moment of truth. What do you think?
Don't know, it's still fluctuating, isn't it? So, today I'll have to see. Probably die. So if I don't come back in 10 minutes, I'm dead.
Alright.
So yeah, I'm about to go for a test drive. Here we go. So it does sort of feel better, but I can't tell. To be fair, it feels loads better. I think it's worked. I think it's worked. But there's don't know, I need to take it on a longer drive really.
What have you got to say about it?
Yeah, it works. I mean the engine brake, and it still doesn't engine brake when it should, but it works.
Show its face.
Yeah.
No wibbly wobbly.
No, it works. That's weird.
Weird? Why is it weird?
Because I've drove it for so long with it just accelerating randomly, and now it works.
I think we might have a turbo issue though. While we've been messing with the pedal, we have also noticed another issue with the pile of crap. It's a bit like a chimney, it's pumping out white smoke, which we suspect it's the turbo. However, it is a tiny turbo. I've never seen one so small. Have you?
No.
And the other issue is we have a puddle of oil.
Mine's massive in comparison.
So the oil is either the rocker cover, which isn't so bad, however the engine looks like a right ball ache to get to it, or it's the head gasket, as the oil cap looks like it's got a bit of mayo on it. So, as everyone said, Fords are easy to work on. We're debating on working on it ourselves or sending it away.
I think we prove a point on it's not going to be that easy.
So I think you'll have to basically take the engine out to do it type thing, or at least everything connected to it. So yes, that's the next Fiesta video I think, and that's how you change the pedal. Here was the old one. It looks exactly the same. Joys are being fly-by-wire. Sooner or later they'll just crap out. So if you like the video, like, subscribe.
Or don't bother.
Yeah, or don't bother, we're not
Don't
bothered.
care.
Yeah, we're not bothered.